In this section, let's introduce Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python. Hailing from the Netherlands, Guido van Rossum embarked on a mission to make programming more accessible. In the late 1980s, he began developing Python with a clear vision in mind. He aimed for a language that was not only easy to read but also simple to follow. By making Python's rules straightforward, he ensured that anyone could learn it. His efforts paid off spectacularly. Python was quickly embraced for its ease of use and soon skyrocketed in popularity, becoming one of the most popular programming languages globally. Now let's explore Python's power and its uses across various industries. Python's versatility makes it a staple in many sectors. It's extensively used in web development, helping companies create robust websites and applications. Moreover, Python excels in data science. It's capable of analyzing vast datasets, helping scientists uncover patterns and predict trends. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Python is a key player in machine learning, automating tasks and even powering game development. Clearly, Python is a versatile tool employed in a myriad of fields. Moving on to the future of Python, it's evident that this language holds a world of opportunities. Its popularity continues to soar, making Python skills extremely valuable in the tech industry. For those learning Python, doors open to numerous possibilities in cutting-edge fields that are on the rise. Python is pivotal in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it's indispensable in data science. If you're considering which programming language to learn, Python is an excellent choice. It's not only easy to learn and use but also immensely powerful, ensuring its relevance for years to come.